1 kilo 5. Okay.
Okay. Open ah. Now open. At the best, yeah, open. You see at the back.
Rồi.
Cambodia. Cambodia.
Okay. Ở Đông Màn con. Con thoát cho mấy nhưng bạn mơ ai trở lại với mà. Alright, my tea almost gone. Still waiting for my durian from Battambang. I'm here. I don't know where I'm at. That's my bike. So I'm order this one. It's called lemonade. Thai Christmas lemonade tea. Alright. Yoo-hoo. Too hot. Haha. Right on, look at that. Oh, it's hot. Let's get out of the way. Ooh, smells so good. Oh yeah. Ooh. But this is not Khmer durian. I think she said it's from Thailand. Alright, I'm just waiting for my mom to cut it open because I don't know how to open it. Okay, let's test this one up. Oh, sạch nén hấp. Việc tốn tồn tại ấp chê đôi nú nhăn tới lên bạch chỗ khía. Oh, anh oh my gosh. So I was in the middle of the dinner. My mom's arrived, so I don't know how to open durian, so I let her open. So I cannot go back to my dinner and just gonna eat this all by myself. I'm not sure. Well, let's see. Nó Durian Khmer đừng dạng ná mà nó Durian Khmer hay chan chừng đó nghe. Oh damn. Look at that. It's way much better than the one I ate in Malaysia. Holy smoke. Look at that. Đấy, miếng Durian Khmer vô mà เปรียบเทียบá. Khmer គេថាអស់អាស្អីគេអស់រដូវហ៎
Về hàng xì mỏng
ហឹម
Về áp xạ còn chia tiết Còn tập khơi sọ cũng ngoan Bỏ phim tại đây đập hóa đây
ហឹម
Gặp cái tiền này nhìn đi đâu
Another one. Another one. You guys look at that, the texture. Oh boy. Look again. So my mom said Khmer durian it tastes better. Ma, Khmer durian រសជាតិវាដូចគ្នាឬក៏ល្អជាង
Mai chanh chiên
ខ្មែរឆ្ងាញ់ជាងមិនម៉ែនថាខ្មែរឆ្ងាញ់ជាង
Chanh chiên
ហេតុអី
Về chuối hai Về em sạch như là muột
សាច់ល្មុតមានន័យថាម៉េច
Về ngành Ở chuối Rồi chiết lên
ល្មុតហ្នឹងមានន័យថាឆ្ងាញ់
Nâng này Yeah
ហើយចុះនេះម៉ែភ្លក់មើលហេតុអីបានជាហ្នឹងអត់សាច់ល្មុតវាម៉េច
Yeah
ឥឡូវម៉ែសាកមើលហើយនិយាយប្រាប់ខ្ញុំតិចមើល
anh nó có tránh đấy anh lấy pi về bàn lấy muôi hay cho mơ lấy muôi kia hãy khơi nhú nhẹ sạch
Yes, such. All right. So based on my mom explanation, she said Khmer version. I mean Khmer durian. It tastes better, but I don't know. I cannot tell because it's been a long time that I haven't eat Khmer durian. So I cannot tell. But for now, compared to the durian in Malaysia, this one is super good. I don't know. It just the texture and the smell. It totally different. It's far way better than the one in Malaysia. I'm not sure that durian it's a Malaysian durian. I'm not sure about that because when I bought it, it was the vendor. They kind of like speak Chinese. So I'm not sure if that import from China or it's Malaysian durian. But either way, I just want to let you guys know. So this Thai durian, it tastes better, much better in everything. And my mom said that she's gonna take me to taste Khmer durian. And I don't know where she get it from, but she said Khmer durian still have it. And some of my friends told me now durian season is over, so it's difficult to find Khmer durian. But my mom said that she's gonna find it for me, and then I'm gonna compare. Just like I said before, my mom said Khmer durian tastes better than Thai, but we'll see. All right, so let me try one more. All right. Nó ngon chưa à, đâu mà lê gì ngay à. Nếu mà lê gì nhằm mà đón lên trong nhằm vừa đảo hết. Tại nó mà bị nhóm ắt chưa pua đại. Ô tờ tại vẫn chưa pua. Tại đừng chưa pua mà vậy mà bị mà hộp nơi Hán rồi còn. Look at that. Look at that. Còn một móc cọp muôn nắng hiện thông chiên nắng mà nó hiện mỏng tối tại khâm ơi ắt ban trển Khmer mà vô mà priệp thiệp nè phim đằng mà chá cái thác ó hay ta mà anh thật chật. All right, so there's another container left. I already finished one, so I'm just gonna keep this one. I'm gonna try Khmer durian, and because I want to compare ngay na từ mai train tục còn đi khla tục còn nhắm toàn nhắm pe tận hà kia mình đăng tha rồi chết viêm mày. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys this Thai durian. That's my friend sent it to me. She said the cost is let's see, 1 kilo equal 2 pound. So 1 kilo is $5, which is 2 pound $5. But the one I ate in Malaysia, I bought it. It was 1 kilo equal $25. So by the way, I don't know if they usually sell that price or not. So 1 kilo equal 2 pounds. So I will say 2 pounds. They charged me $25. So that was such a scam. Alright, so bỏ viết đôi chìa sẽ điếng cái này đá ta đọc về bỏ nó khóc cái này là mà nóไอ้จมมันมือบันดังขังขนมมันก็มือไม่บันดังขังขนมขอกนี่จุบไปยังเนี่ยติ้งเมียนนาเคยด่าบนทองเป็นเมียนปูเบี้ยปูค่ะปูจะมันทองไอ้ปูเบี้ยเมียนนาใส่เชื้อเนี่ยใส่ต้นเนี่ยใส่เรื่องเบี้ยเมียนปูเฉิดตัวเบี้ยเมียนโตกระจายโตเพลิงโตไอ้จังนะที่จำเดี๋ยวจังนะเบี้ยเมียนปูเมียนชั่วโดยเมียนจังเมียนเมียนจุดก็ alright that's it ôi trời nóng bát cháo đây nóng ok nóng nè ui nóng